All right guys, today we're gonna be washing the YZ250. All right, so I've got this wash station set up behind my apartment. So we're gonna go ahead and get her washed up. I've got an electric pressure washer and all of my cleaning stuff in here, which is gonna be pretty much just soap and a spray bottle and spray power, Crown. This is like the best stuff ever. It's not gonna like strip the zinc coating off of your bolts or anything. Some soap and some spray power in the foam cannon. We've got a couple different brushes and butt plugs. Don't forget to plug it. You don't want to get your seat foam waterlogged. It'll be so heavy. So we always just clean these by hand. So we're gonna go ahead and take the seat off. Gonna go ahead and set this over here. And now we're gonna pull the air filter off. Just take those rags, stuff them down in there so then they would catch any water. And make sure you get those rags back out. You don't want to forget the rags in there. All right, we've got that installed. And we're still not gonna spray directly down in here with the pressure washer, but now we can clean, everything's watertight. Gonna go ahead and soak her down. All right, so it's been soaking for a little bit. We just let it set for about 2 or 3 minutes after we soak the entire bike. We're gonna actually pressure wash the bike now and get all of the mud off, and then we'll go ahead and start scrubbing and using cleaner. All right guys, so we're gonna go in with just straight spray power. And now that we've got all of the mud and muck off of the bike, I don't like to spray cleaner and stuff on a muddy bike because the cleaner's just gonna sit on top of the mud and then get blown off. Go in here, spray the wheels, spray the hubs. We're gonna spray the chain. We're gonna really get in here good. And then we're gonna go back with a brush and actually scrub everything. And I like to get in here all along the engine, you know, wherever it sprays chain lube, everything else. Get under here on your linkage. You don't really want to pressure wash your linkage, so I like to put a little bit of extra. Anywhere that you don't really want to spray directly with the pressure washer, you want to put extra cleaner. Soak all the nooks and crannies, crevices, everywhere that you can't get real good with the pressure washer. Go ahead and soak it in this all-purpose cleaner. Get it good and soaked down, and then we're gonna go in with the brush and start scrubbing. As far as tools that we're going to use, we just got a big brush and a small brush. We've got a chain brush, and then we've got some green Scotch-Brite pads. That's going to be for all of the raw aluminum, like the swing arm and the frame. You want to keep all of your scrubbing like in the same direction so it looks real nice. And if you just scrub it all the same direction, it'll bring that back really nice looking. So we're gonna scrub both sides of the swing arm. We're gonna do the same thing with the subframe, and we're gonna do the same thing with the actual frame. Get it scrubbed down real nice. And then we're gonna be taking this chain brush. I like to just hold it right here, and this is just gonna scrub the back side and the front side, and then you can flip it up like this and it'll scrub the bottom of the chain as well. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do all of this a little bit more in depth off camera. As far as the wheels go, you're just gonna scrub them around like this. Just get all of that cleaner scrubbed in. You can take the small brush right here, get into like little crevices in here, all around the engine, all back in there. I'm gonna scrub here for probably 10 minutes, just all over the bike, and then we'll be ready to rinse. All right, now we're gonna go in with our foam cannon. Now that the bike is completely scrubbed down, this is half soap, half spray power. We're gonna foam it down. This may, in fact, be one of the most peaceful sounds. While this is soaking in, it's a good time to check your spokes. By hand, you can just go ahead and start grabbing them and see if any are just substantially loose. If you have a Honda or a KTM or a Husky or a Gas Gas, yeah, you're probably gonna find some that are about to fall out. All jokes aside though, guys, we're gonna let this soak in for about a minute or two, and then this bike is ready to pressure wash. And when I say pressure wash completely, we're gonna soak this thing. Woo! They be shining like new money. Now, once you've done your final rinse, some of y'all are gonna say that this is kind of backwards, but now it's time to actually take it off the stand. We're gonna lay it over and we're gonna wash underneath the bike. There shouldn't be a whole lot of dirt left. That's why I like doing it at the end. Lay it over, wash the underneath of it, and then we'll have to put it back on the stand and do one final rinse. All right, I went ahead and did the same thing on the other side, and now I've got it back on the stand. We're gonna do the final rinse, Now, as far as cleaning your seat goes, if your seat wasn't horribly dirty, then you could just throw it back on like this. Obviously, my OCD won't let me do that. Now, if it's horribly muddy, obviously you're gonna have to pressure wash it. But I'm just gonna spray a little bit of spray power on it, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it back on the bike, and we'll put the bolts back in it, and then I'll just wipe it down with the spray power. Now that we're done washing the bike, we're gonna go ahead and take this WD-40, spray down the header, and that'll just keep it from rusting. Same thing within here and inside of your foot pegs. I like to spray back in here too. It kind of helps get the mud out next time. Now we'll obviously lube the chain whenever we get it back into the garage, but that's all done. Don't forget to pull your butt plug out. Hit that follow button, comment below anything I messed up or missed or didn't do, or anything that you like doing whenever you wash your bike. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.